The euro dollar is lower versus dollar yen by about 0.4% against the pound sterling and the euro. Not that much, but it's still lower. I'll go through the technicals that are driving these currency pairs in this video. So let's get started. Sometimes it's not where we're at, but what the journey was. And for the euro versus US dollar yesterday, the journey was to the upside, and it started on Tuesday's trade, moving higher off of this low right here, which came within the swing area, above the 100-hour moving average, and moved above the 100-day moving average. That's this blue line in the chart yesterday. We did trade above and below it at first, but then extended higher, and then by the end of the day, we were sitting. We had already moved above this topside swing area, but we did come off a little bit into the close, and that helped to push the price a little bit lower within this swing area. The swing area was again defined by a number of different swing highs and lows, most of them lows right here, forming this floor right here, and then we had a ceiling right through here where the market used this area as a resistance, and then again floor right here, then ceiling right through here. You can see the number of different times that the market came within these areas, and it's called a swing area. And so when we moved above the swing area, we came back within the swing area. We did find buyers against the low. We also found buyers against the 100-day moving average. That's important. And the market moved higher. We did extend to new highs in trading here today, but fell short of the 50% retracement level. That's the next key target on the top side at 1.16938. The journey, where are we going? But right now, as we enter the day, enter the North American session, we're still above the high of the swing area, and traders who are looking for more momentum to the upside might use this area as a stop. They may use this area as a stop. We just can't get back below that 38.2, back below that 100-hour day moving average. If we do, that's not a good thing. So this is a risk area right here for buyers looking for more upside, and the bias is a little bit more to the upside today. Coming into today, the next target comes 50%. And if we get above that level, then we're starting to look toward this high. That's the next level of target level at 1.7274. So that's my look at the euro versus US dollar today. I hope it helps you. Let's take a look at the dollar versus yen, and we saw this pair. The journey came to the downside yesterday. We came into this swing area right through here. Again, another swing area where you clearly see a ceiling area right through here being formed, and then we moved above it and below it, finding support against the 100 through here, based against it before moving to the upside. That's key, and we came back down toward that level and moved below it on this day right here, and trading, I guess it's on Monday's trade, rotating back down toward the 38.2% retracement. Key bounce off of that level, came back into the 100 and 200 and moved down and found support against that old level. That gave traders the go-ahead to push to the upside in the early Asian session, but we did fall short of the 100-hour moving average, and we fell back below this level right here. That opened the door for further selling. We got through with the 38.2% retracement and to this swing area. You can see right here the you just visualize a ceiling, floor, base, boom, move to the upside. So here we are again, similar level like here, very thin, very defined. And if we get below that level at 154, 40, 45, 47, that would open the door for further downside. Getting below the 38.2% retracement is a step in the bullet bearish direction. We'll see if that level can hold on the top side and keep the sellers really happy and pushing down through that level. If you get below that level, it's open road really to the 50% retracement, which happen to be these low or near these lows as well. Maybe this high right here, maybe this low right here as well. So that's going to be a level of importance for traders going forward. So be aware of that level as well. That level comes in at 153.62 if the bearish bias can continue. So sellers are making a play. We'll see if they can keep that momentum going in trading here today. Finally, let's take a look at the sterling versus US dollar. Again, we'll have the hourly chart. And clearly from this perspective, we had a big day up to the upside yesterday. Got above the 100-hour moving average, got above the 50% retracement of this move to the downside. Both of those are key levels to get to and through. Got above these swing highs right through here and based against the level right here before moving to the upside. Got above the 200-day moving average. That's a green line in this chart. So lots of levels to be taken out in the sterling versus US dollar, which probably the 200-day being one of the key levels from the technical perspective. And lo and behold, when the market corrected in the Asian session, we came down toward that 200-day moving average. And what do? We found support buyers against that level and push higher. Now, if 200-day is important, so is 100-day moving average, and that's looms on the top side at 1.33666. So there's this battle going on. A lot of times we look at the 100, 200-hour moving average Today, we're looking at the 100-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, with both of them coming into play. And that's going to be the key battleground now for this currency pair. If we get above it, it's more bullish. If we move back below the 200-day moving average, it's more bearish. And you can see different targets on either the top side or the downside that we then target toward. On the downside, we rotate back toward the levels that we just broke yesterday, those would be that would be the roadmap for that direction. On the top side, we would look toward other levels going back further in time, because we haven't been at this area a long while, but going back to these swing area through here, and then we'll start to look toward the high price that we saw in the month of October before starting this last leg to the downside. So there you have it, looking at 3 of the major currency pairs to kickstart your trading day. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.